This tutorial demonstrates how to make a buttercream dot cascade design using parchment paper piping cones and smooth buttercream. It can be done in monotone or using any number of color combinations. In this example, I don't use any food coloring at all, since each tone is achieved by mixing different amounts of vanilla and chocolate buttercreams together. I use the same bowl to mix all the colors, beginning with the darkest and ending with the lightest. Note that this is a tedious project, so make sure to leave yourself plenty of time in which to do it. First, frost your cake to completion using smooth buttercream. Then, allow it to chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to set. Begin with the darkest tone of buttercream first, using a little more than you would need to fill one piping cone. I like to use a small ice cream scoop to fill my piping cones because it keeps everything neat and tidy. Don't fill the bag too much at this stage because it's easier to pipe from a smaller reservoir of buttercream. Add a little bit of vanilla buttercream to the remaining chocolate buttercream in the bowl and mix it well. Add just enough to lighten the color one visible shade. Then, fill a second piping cone. I suggest numbering the bags 1 through 5. Add some more vanilla buttercream to the bowl to make an even lighter tone. Repeat these steps a total of 5 times to make a total of 5 progressively lighter shades of buttercream, each in a numbered bag. Cut a small hole in the tip of each bag using scissors. Now begin by piping one row of dots just below the top edge of the cake. Squeeze the same amount out each time using a turntable to rotate the cake. Once the first row is complete, it can be used as a guideline for the second row of dots. With bag number 2, apply a series of lighter colored dots nesting in the crevices made by the dots of the first row. Skip every 4th dot to make clusters of 3. With bag number 3, add a 3rd row of dots, this time clustering them in groups of 2 just beneath the previous row. With bag number 4, add a single dot to complete each pyramid. With bag number 5, add another single dot, this time offset from each pyramid. With bag number 1, add a single dot in the empty space between each pyramid. Make sure to line it up with the same row every time. At this point, you can continue to add more details using the design that's already there as a guide. Okay, so to go over it one more time, here is a close-up of the progression of this design from start to finish. In this case, different combinations of vanilla buttercream tinted blue and green were mixed together and lightened with plain vanilla buttercream to achieve a variety of aqua type hues.